Hello guys, it's 29th March today, and guys, in our mind there will be a question remains, which if we have already developed a C++ language, then why we develop a Java, and what is the exactly need to develop it? So that's why I'm taking a today's topic, which is difference between C++ and Java. So guys, I don't need to tell that these are the both always the, as you know, these are the both always the superior language in their particular fields as per their functionalities and fundamentals. So, but there are some points that we can distinguish both of the language from one another. These points I will discuss today. So first one, which is the C++. C++ is the extension of C. It means C with classes. In our C languages there is no classes, but in C++ there are implementation of classes. That's why we can say the C with classes is an extension of. After that, it is created C++. C++, which is created by Bijan Starstrup in early 1983. So, and after that we can say the Java, which is developed by James Gosling in 1990, after the 1991. So that's why we can say the C++ is always older than the Java. And another difference between, we can say that C++, which is a platform dependent, sorry, because when we run a C++ program, then we don't the C++ compiler, which is not allowed to us the our code which is run on another software, another operating system or devices. But in other hand, Java, which is a provide, which is a have always a JVM, Java Virtual Machine, and its own runtime environment. That's why Java, which is a, we can say the platform independent. If we code in a Java programming language, or when we compile it and we want to run it on other devices or operating system, so for that we only need a particular JVM which is installed and that particular devices. After and all, we can run our Java program in that particular devices. This after that we can say C++ has a it supports multiple inheritance, but in Java there is not multiple inheritance supports by the Java. After that we can say in C++, call by value and call by reference, these are the both properties are accepted, but in Java only the call by value is acceptable. And after that we can say in C++ we are using the pointers, but in Java does not allow to use pointers. But still we can say the Java, it has implicit pointers, but developers Java don't allow to developers use an explicit pointers for the security purposes. And after that we can say the in C++ operator overloading is also supported, but in other hand we can say the Java, there is no operator overloading supported by Java. After that, these are the all common differences between these languages. And we can say also that C++, which is a specified for system programming, and Java, which is we can develop using a Java, which is a desktop application, mobile application. So that's why we develop a Java programming language. And after that there are some surveys which have the ranking of the C++ and Java programming language. For example, we can say the Stack Overflow last year surveys, which tells us the C++ is most popular than Java. They assign the C++ language in the third position, which is and Java is also one of the top 10 programming languages in the Stack Overflow survey. And another one, which is a HackerRank survey. In the HackerRank survey, they tells us that Java, which is a highly usable programming language by in worldwide. So that's why these are the survey. And we can also say the C++ is a there are some apps or softwares which are developed by fully C++. And C++ we can say it is a procedural and object oriented also. but in Java is a object oriented only. And after that, these are some apps which is developed by C++, which is Adobe software are always present in a C++, which we can say the Microsoft Office or such a VS Code, and there are some hardware drivers is also been developed by C++. And another one which can say Java, which is a very popular in now condition. There are some apps which is developed by Java. These are the, we can say, the Spotify. You are hearing that Spotify musical app. These are the fully based on Java. And after that, we can say Twitter. Twitter is also based on Java. So these are the examples of Java and C++. And we already discussed some differentiate points with these languages. That's all from my side. Thank you.